Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna go to market with Diana. We will buy some vegetable, and yeah, they have a kitchen. So today I will cook it by myself. We together, and in the distance you can see this neighborhood is fascinating. I love this neighborhood. It's very interesting. Looks like, but the road is not beautiful. No people. I didn't see anyone. It's a shortcut or something.
Yeah.
You are not going to sell me. They sell that maize right here. They have a grill maize. They have a meal house. Wow. They have a bar. Wow. Wow. Are you lady boy? Are you lady boy? So guys, the local price is one banana for mia moja. Yeah, mia moja. Well, you go first.
Hello, China.
Hello, bro. Be careful. Yeah, they have kids fighting. Pasta. Oh, I think it's potatoes. No, it's pasta. Okay, I know this is pasta. So that Diana said today cooking pasta for me. I don't know what is this Swahili. I think it's a potato. What is the pasta?
It's tandy.
Okay, tambi. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you saying? What did they say? Tano, Mayai. So guys, the local like hawker, they sell the dress like this. They just bring their stuff and you know, they go each street and passing by the each club and the shop. They go to ask the people, you want the dress, you want the clothes, you want everything. Yeah, this is the way to make a business in Tanzania. Open sesame. So it's raining now, and we move the kitchen into the room. Okay guys, the power out. I'm salivating. I got a huge appetite, but I'm tired not today. You are good chef. Cooking many. I'm not thinking we can finish this meal. I think I need 4 people. Today we into another market. Wow, look at this land. Look at the ground. And I think I should buy some raincoat because from here to Malawi, yeah, it's a rain season. And today, wow, they have 3 times, 4 times get raining, so it will be a problem right on the road. Karibu wewe. So if they have someone say karibu wewe, what I say back? Asante. I thank you. What's the meaning karibu wewe? Welcome. Okay, karibu wewe. Oh, have many pages. So here's a rain jacket. It's very heavy. I don't want to take it. And my jacket is waterproof. Wow. Yeah, China. Karibu. Okay.
Hey, Sunday is
Sunday. Say Sunday. They have more energy. If I ride down the road, I need this. So give me F Billy. Yeah, F1 Billy this.
It's 2,000.
2,800 shillings.
So guys, this is specifically for women,
Yeah.
not for men.
For eating.
She's pregnant.
Oh, pregnant.
Where's the money?
Okay.
Where?
Well, guys, we are walking to the fruit section. Yeah, many banana and avocado, and yeah, mostly is matoki.
How did you know it?
Of course I know. Yeah, the street fight, the UFC. Yeah, street UFC. Good. Jumbo. Jumbo. Yeah. Fight.